For this question, you can see that I have a link to this binomial calculator. I want to make sure that you use that. There is a way to do it by hand, but you'll see that that can be very challenging. All right, so what is the information we need to know in this question? So the first piece of information is there's a 95% chance of growing. So there's a 95% chance of actually growing. So we could almost say like this is the probability of growth equals 0.95. All right, so what did they say? So they said if 7 seeds, so this is my total, what is the probability that exactly 2 don't grow? So if I see the word don't grow, then I have to do this. If it's a 95% of growing, then the probability of no growth is equal to 0.05. Remember that this is called the complement, and to get this number, you could do 100% minus the 95% or 1 minus 0.95. All right, so now I need to use that graphing calculator or that calculator link. So let me pull that up. All right, so the probability of success on a single trial. So remember, this is the probability of not grow. So I got to put that in there. The number of trials is 7. The number of successes I want is 2. Okay, so I want exactly 2 that don't grow. And then I just scroll down here to the bottom and hit calculate. So the number I want is the one that says the probability of exact. So I need this 0.0406. So 0.0406. So let's go back to here. So I need 0.0406. All right, let's type that in to make sure that's correct. And submit. Remember, it says that you need to go to 4 decimal places, and I'm not sure what this error is, but I hope it doesn't impact my video. Anyway, that's how you do this question.